Gonna pour the coals to it. He can't pour the coals to it until he gets to the no wake zone. It's going to cheat a little bit, it looks like. You know, earlier it sounds like a misfires, but we figured out there's a low spot. There's a huge low spot in the exhaust pipe, and the engine has to blow the exhaust water out of that low spot in the exhaust pipe. So as you can tell, once you put the throttle to it, it runs. There's no misfire, and when you look at the engine, there's no misfire. When you see how it's operating, how smoothly it's operating, but it sounds in the exhaust like it's misfiring. So, but it's not. So anyway. And it kind of drove us crazy yesterday. The tachometer gear, there's a gearbox on the tachometer that we're pretty sure is a problem. And I'm afraid you're gonna, so we've got the tach unhooked because my concern is that we're going to screw up a brand new tach cable. And you're gonna have to get another gearbox from the instrument people. We'll give you a contact for that. All right, that's it.